Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I got another sosusan bag in the mail. I do love about this subscription that it does come in the beginning of the month, so that's always a plus. It is $20.95, and it's a beauty subscription, and you get 4 full-size items and also a makeup bag with your purchase. It is a vegan, cruelty-free brand, and sosusan Cosmetics actually created this bag. It's called the Color Curate bag. I keep getting it mixed up and keep wanting to call it the sosusan bag, but it's actually called the Color Curate bag by sosusan. If you like reviews, beauty subscriptions, makeup in general, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for more easier access to videos like this. So this is for the month of August here, and I'm going to go ahead and see what we got. On the outside of the bag it says Attracted to Ambition. Again, I love the positive messages that come on all of these bags. They're just so uplifting. And the quality of the bags is on point too. I think it's better quality than the Ipsy bags. I'm not knocking on Ipsy or anything because I do like their bags as well. I just think it's a little bit more better quality than theirs. Okay, and this, they always come with a card, which is nice, and it comes with the theme of the month, which is Attracted to Ambition. And then on the back is a list of your products, the value, and the total value of the bag. My total value of my bag is $105.50. For only $20.95, that's not bad. And typically the stuff I get in here most of the time I like, if not love. So let's see, this first thing I'm pulling out here, and they always put extra care and love in their packaging to make sure it gets to you safely, which I do like that. First thing is from Truffle Cosmetics. It's called a Cheek Clifton Blush and Highlighter. And this is what the outside packaging looks like. Very cute and fun. Okay. And it's more of like a peachy blush, which I'm okay with too. Let's go ahead and get some swatches of this and see what it feels really silky and smooth for the blush. Okay, I'm not even sure if you'll be able to see these. They're really light. Right here is the blush, and right here is the highlighter. So the blush definitely looks like it might be a buildable color, or someone who just likes a lighter blush look. I like a more dominant, a bright blush look. However, I'd be willing to try this and see if it might look good with different looks, and I can make some really cute things out of it for all I know. So there is that. Oh, I almost forgot. This one is valued at $9.50, which is really affordable. So if you did enjoy this product, it'd be easy for you to go out and purchase another one. Okay, the next thing is from Truffle Cosmetics, and this is called a Lip Parfait. And look how cute this packaging is. It's got a little ice cream cone on it and bananas. I just love how fun it is. And this is in the shade Summer Cone. Okay. So this is what the shade looks like on the skin. It's more of a reddish orangish color, which I'm okay with, and fall's coming up, and you know, let me just throw some of this on top of my lip gloss. Oh, and I actually really like that color on me. And see, that's why I always want to give lipsticks a chance, because sometimes even when you put it on your skin, like your hand or your arm, to get a swatch of it, you don't really get the real feel of what it's going to look like until you actually put it on your lips. So like, I would probably have not normally wanted to give that a chance if I wouldn't be doing YouTube and stuff like that, but I would always recommend giving it a chance anyways and putting it on your lips, because really it looks way different to me than what it looks on there. It's not nearly as orangey or red. It just looks really cute. So definitely recommend this as well. So I do really like this lipstick. This lipstick is valued at $12, which is also another affordable item. Okay, next from Jelly Pong is called the Dream Palette. And this is valued at $20. And it is sealed again. Okay, and here is the colors right here. And honestly, I'm not going to swatch this just because I have so many color stories like this that I'm sure someone else could enjoy this more so than me. But I'm not meaning to be negative or anything, but I'm just going to say it. Like, where is the sosusan palettes? I feel like I haven't seen one since I started this subscription. Maybe like a little like brow palette here and there, but I want some sosusan like eyeshadow palettes, not just like a little thing of it. I want to try their eyeshadow because I heard they put serums and stuff in their makeup and anti-aging stuff in their makeup, so I really wanted to try their eyeshadow. Maybe next month, you never know. But still, Jelly Pong is a really good brand, so again, not knocking it or anything like that. You could pick up this palette for $20. I'm not sure if I said that yet already or not. Okay, and last but not least is from sosusan Cosmetics, and it's called the Glow Gaia, I want to guess, Gaia? I'm not really good about pronouncing names. But this is a firming neck and glow cream. A nourishing moisture boosting glow cream formulated especially for the thinner, more sensitive skin around your décolletage. Let me look that up. I'm not even sure what that means. Décolletage, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, is actually the low neckline on a woman's dress or dress top. A woman's cleavage as revealed as low as the neckline. So this can go all the way down to where your cleavage starts to show for firming. So that's really nice. No wonder it's in such a big container. That is cool. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it smells like. And now I'm getting older, I should definitely probably start using more firming creams and stuff just to be like a preventative type thing. And then the package is sealed again. It had this seal, and then it also has this seal in here. So it has a double seal. Oh, wow. I was not expecting to see that at all. That is gorgeous. Can you see that in there? So this is what the cream looks like here. It's this brown, like bronzy colored. Oh, cool. And it blends out to like a nice gold shimmer. You can't even see it anymore. It blends in with your skin, which you wouldn't think it because of how dark it is. And it smells really nice. I get hints of coconut in there, but really light smell, which is amazing. I am super excited with this. Okay, this has pear extracts in it. Vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free. So this is neat. I'm excited to try this out. Okay, and that is everything that I had in my sosusan bag. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.